Hi, I'm Steve, and in this video we're going to quickly walk through installing Visual Studio 2017 with Python support. You can download Visual Studio 2017 from visualstudio.com. And when your download is finished, this is what you'll see. This is new from previous versions of Visual Studio and provides a much more flexible way for you to select which components you need or want to be able to use. The interesting item here for us is Python development. Just select this workload and you'll get all of the core pieces that you need to do Python development using Visual Studio. If you look over at the right, you'll see we have more optional components that we can choose to include or omit as we like. Python web support includes a number of items to make web development easy. It includes HTML editor, JavaScript editor, CSS, templates for Django, Flask, and Bottle, and a lot of functionality there that's very helpful if web is the work that you're doing. IoT support is specifically for Windows IoT Core. If you're developing those applications, these tools will allow you to use Python. Python native development tools are the C++ compilers that you need for Python, and also some extra templates and integration to make your experience better in Visual Studio. You'll also be a big selection here of Python and Anaconda distributions that you can install if you don't already have Python or Anaconda on your machine. You may also want to look at the Data Science and Analytical Applications workload. This workload includes further functionality for F#, Python, and R altogether, as well as the R client and all the other Python options as well. If you're doing data science work or intending to use multiple languages for this kind of analytics, this is a very good option to get you started. Once you've made your selections, you can click Install and let it get running. After installation, you can modify, launch, repair, or uninstall Visual Studio from the installer. You can also find it in the Start menu, and if you ever need to get back to the installer, you can search for Visual Studio Installer to come back here. Now that you've installed Visual Studio 2017 with Python support, check out docs.microsoft.com/visualstudio/python for more tutorials, documentation, and videos to help you get productive quicker.